Hi, you're watching Dr. Sport Tourer. So this is one of my first vlog attempts. This is going to be the first start for the vlogs. So I'll be starting with few product reviews. So there are two products I'll be having on a review today. So let's start with one after the other. So the tools for unboxing: scissors and knife. Pretty basic. Ta-da! Alright, this is a big one, big box. So this is from Pro Biker. So for a long time I was looking for a new helmet replacement, since my helmet is almost now 5 years old. The basic one, which was the empty helmet, Access. Very basic. I had purchased it for 5,000 rupees long back then, maybe in 2015 I guess. So the options I had seen were AGV K6, then the Scorpion carbon fiber. I don't know, I'm somehow very much leaning towards carbon fiber. Of course it looks very awesome, and at the same time it's going to be lightweight, so especially when you're going to be on longer tours, it is going to be very useful. That time I came to know that there is this company, Italian company, which is offering carbon fiber, fully carbon fiber helmet, which weighs equal as good as AGV K6. Caberg. Yes, Caberg. It's made in Italy. Alright, let's do the unboxing. The box looks decent, alright. So this is the most value for money carbon fiber helmet you'll find. Maybe I guess LS2 is one more option, but I found this more value for money and better looking in terms of the ergonomics and aerodynamics. Ooh. Look at this. Extremely light. This is very, very light. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Alright, this has come with this helmet cover. Caberg written on it. We'll see the accessories first. We have a dark smoke visor. Very few manufacturers give an extra visor when you buy a new helmet. Whoa, looks good. Alright, so this is one more point why you should choose Caberg, because it has an extra visor and you don't have to pay extra for that. Then we have the fog resistant lens, also known as pin lock. So that is again extra. You don't have to pay for it. It comes with the package. So that's very nice. Again, one more point why you should go for Caberg. I'm super excited for this. Ta-da! Oh, holy moly! Look at this. This is crazy. This is crazy. Can you see the shape of it? It's almost like AGV Pista, and it has a detachable visor as well. You just need an Allen key here. We can remove it. It's fully carbon fiber, glossy carbon fiber. Wow, nice. And look at the inside lining. Very decent, very nice. It has cutouts for intercom communication system like Sena or Cardo. Alright, let me try it. So it's really nice. It becomes very quiet after wearing this. Wow. Let me keep a side profile. Alright. And on the back it looks like this. It fits perfect. I'm wearing a medium-sized empty helmet, so this is also a medium-sized helmet. I kind of feel very comfortable in this. Alright, let me take it off. Simple mechanism. Looks very robust. And apparently this is removable. If you don't want it, you can remove it. Let me show you a close-up. Look at the glossy material. So these are the vents, front vent, and this is the another vent. So this is the detachable aerodynamic thing. I don't know what to call it. Look at it, it's so beautiful. This is just 1280 grams, 1280 grams. Even the AGV Pista GPRR, which costs about 1,30,000 rupees, it costs the same. It weighs the same. I meant to say it doesn't cost 1,20,000. So how much does this cost? I got it for 29,250 from Pro Biker Pune. I called up the Pro Biker guy on phone. He said, yeah, it's available. I made the payment and second day it's home. So really happy about this. So removing visor is very difficult on this one. It's not that easy. It takes a lot of time and even energy. I guess with time and usage, I guess it will be fine. Maybe it's new, that's why it's not coming out. So I went for a night ride for trying out the new helmet. It's really comfortable and quiet. These are the pictures when you put on the darker visor. It looks absolutely gorgeous. Really loved it. If you guys liked it, definitely comment down so that will encourage me for putting up more and more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.